So here we are over at the live demonstration of Siroo. So firstly, just wanted to point out that there will actually be a couple of different licenses that will be available when we do a public launch in around about 6 weeks time. The offer that's available today is for the Pro version, so you're going to get all the features, everything that comes with Siroo. The Lite version will not include one of the tabs up here, which helps to organize it a little bit better. The Pro version is all the features, and being a lifetime charter member, you're going to always have the Pro version. We're also including the 5 machine license, so you can use it for outsourcers and teams and that type of thing. Okay, so the way it works, it's a link prospecting, content syndication and traffic partners management system. What you'll basically do when you're creating a new project is you'll include your website name up here. So we'll go for the Siroo website for this. Then you'll just give your project a name, your keywords. Now you can just include as many keywords, or as just one keyword if you like. You can include as many or as little as you like, and it's basically just you don't think of this in the terms of sort of long tail keywords that you're going to be targeting for with Google and that type of thing. This is a much broader sense. You're looking for partners, traffic, and content syndication partners, so you want to keep it quite broad. So we'll go for content marketing, and then you can just hit enter, or you can click the add button, and then we'll include content syndication, and we'll leave it at that for now. Then you give your give it a description, and then we click save project. Now what we can also do, because you have the you'll have the Pro version, you can go to SEO Moz and create a free account, and you'll get a free API key which you can include in here, and that's going to bring us back a lot of information that we're going to use later on. So then we go to search links. So we want to choose our project, and then the footprints that can be used. There's a whole variety of different footprints that can be used here. So what this is going to do is it's going to go out and search for different types of link prospecting, guest blogging, guest posting, sponsored links, every different type of link prospecting and content syndication that you could think of. So for example, if we choose guest blogging, we can choose guest blogging here, and these are places that we can put together a sort of a portfolio of websites, webmasters that are proven to be able to take and accept our content, that are on high page rank, high Moz rank, high traffic websites, that are high quality websites that are going to send us a lot of traffic, that are going to send us high quality backlinks, basically that are going to be receptive to us posting out our content. And then over time you're going to build and be able to manage a portfolio of different partners, different websites that you can use to, every time you publish a new piece of content on your blog, on your website, you can send it out to these people, and you know that they're happy to receive your content. So guest blogging, and then you can see there's some different searches that can be used here. You could also look for blog comments. So maybe you just want to leave a quick backlink that goes back to some content that you have. Message boards, forums, so maybe you're researching different places that you can advertise your services, that you can look for potential customers. There's a whole wide advanced search parameters as well. This basically gives you complete control over, it's only really limited by your imagination. You can put whatever keywords in here you like, whatever search strings, and it will go out to Google and will find the exact websites that you're looking for. That's more sort of, if you know exactly what you're looking for. Sponsored links, sponsorships, benefactors, donations, these are all different, again, types of linking opportunities, link prospecting opportunities. Wikis, media wikis, wiki sites. We've got other queries. There's just directories, hub pages, Squidoo lenses, social bookmarks, guest books, there's lots of different ones we've got here. We've got link bartering, so maybe you want to buy blog posts, maybe you want to buy a link. We've also got site searches. Now this will search Facebook for pages that maybe you can contact that might be interested in publishing your content. Twitter, Pinterest, Google Groups, Scribd, SlideShare, Wikipedia, Tumblrs, Typepads, Huffington Post. These are all places that you can syndicate your content out to. You can build a portfolio of websites, pages. Basically, it really is just limited by your imagination, and inside the members area there's going to be a lot of training as well that's going to sort of explain exactly how you're going to be able to use this stuff and get great results with it, seeing massive traffic, big results in Google, and just overall good stuff with syndicating your content. So for this one, let's just go for guest posting, just for this example. You then can choose your keywords depending on which ones you've chosen from your profile. These are, again, this can, if you know about search strings, this can be customized. If not, you can just leave it exactly as it is, or you can clear it. Phrase match or broad match, depending on how sort of, if you go phrase and it's a very specific keyword, then maybe you're not going to get as many results as you'd like, or you could go broad, and then also you can limit the number of results that come down here. So if you leave that blank, it'll just keep going and going, or you can limit it to 10, 20, 50, 100, whatever you like. Domain types, now this is a really powerful thing if you're doing anything in country, sort of geo-targeted marketing. So you can choose every different domain extension that's available, or we can just go for all. And then what we do is we hit start search, and it's going to go out, it's going to look for different it's going to search for different places that you can get these backlinks, or you can get these syndication, and it's going to search each one. As you can see, it's going through really quickly. It's getting the page rank of the domain, the page rank of the page, and then once it's done, then what you can do is you can filter this by rank. So maybe you want to get rid of root domains, because sometimes if you're going for root domains, it might not have the exact information that you're looking for. You might be something that you want something much more specific. Then you can filter the results by page or domain rank. So let's, for example, say we want to find a list of high page rank domains that we can get guest posting opportunities on. So we're going to go for let's say anything above a page rank 5. So as you can see here, these are a list of maybe, for example, some of these straight away are not going to be suitable because of the type of page it is, but then those you just clear those out, or you only check the ones that you want to look for. So let's maybe knock that down to 4, and then what we're going to go is we're going to go for this one, we're going to go for this one, we're going to go for this one, and we'll just use that for now. Obviously, you can do whatever you like with those. You can also export them into a list that you can come back and you can import them in later, or you can click save to project, and then those particular links have then been saved to the project. So you can click on this and it'll open up the browser and we'll go and have a look at that site for you. Or this is the real power where you can really get into this now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this, and then this is going to go to out to that site, and it's going to analyze the site. It's going to get back the Alexa rank, the page authority, the domain authority, the Moz rank, which is why we needed the SEO Moz, incoming links, and external links. And then in here, it's also going to fill it full of all the social links. So what this allows you to do is build a portfolio of websites that you can contact straight away by going to their Facebook page, the Twitter page. Maybe it comes back with an email, and then it allows you to save all that into projects. So then you can send your content out, or send an email, or send them a tweet, or contact them on Facebook, add them as a friend on Facebook, contact them, ask them if they'd like to take your content. They've got a high page rank, high Alexa rank, high Moz rank website. If they accept your content, you then save that into another project, and it then allows you to contact them over and over again. Post every time you make a new post to your blog. You're building, you're continually growing this this project, this sort of portfolio portfolio of websites that you can contact, and you know that they're going to accept your content each and every time, giving you high quality backlinks, sending you traffic, sending you social signals, shares, likes, tweets, and all that kind of stuff. So let's analyze this now. Sometimes it does come back with an SEO Moz error. That depends on the website. A lot of times if you do that again, it will work first time. So as you can see, this has got a really high Alexa rank. There is a Google Plus page here where you can click that and it will take you through to Google Plus, and you'll be able to contact them. Quite often they might not have a Facebook page, they might not have a Twitter profile, or whatever else, but then you'll find ones that do. You can also go in here and you can fill out a description. You can fill out the contact details if you find any on the website, the email, the phone number if it's applicable for the website. This one's not come back with a huge amount of information, to be honest. This particular one that I've chosen just necessarily doesn't have the full sort of range of information. So maybe then we try this one. This is a different website, so we'll click analyze again. This is going to go out, and it's there we go. We've got a Twitter page, we've got an Alexa rank, we've got the page rank, we've got the feed burner. So this again, you could click any one of those. It'll open up the Twitter page. You can go and send the guy a tweet, ask him if he'd like to take your content. And again, this is really just sort of it's really limited only by your imagination. So here we go. This one has come back with all the information that you could possibly need. You've got the page rank of the domain, the page rank of the page, the Alexa rank, the page authority, the domain authority, the Moz rank, number of incoming links, and the external equity links. All that information is included in the SEO Moz, and it's put in here. So then what we would do is we would click select all links, save all link data, and then that has then been saved to the project up here. So that means that next time you want to come into here, this is all saved on our server, so maybe you want to work on this right now and then you want to save it all and later come back to it. So again, you can choose the project, you can choose the particular link that you're working on, and it saves all the information. So there you go, you can see. Now for this one, we've actually got a Facebook page, we've got a LinkedIn group, we've got a Twitter page, we've got a YouTube account, we've got a Google Plus, and all of those you can click, go through, contact them, ask them if they'd like to accept your content. If you go on the website, you find some contact details, email, and then save it all into projects. This is really powerful. Obviously this is a really quick demonstration just to show you exactly what the tool does. The training that's inside the members area is going to show you exactly how to use this to get the best results, to start sending a lot of traffic, to organize these syndication partners, and how to use it for maximum results. So let's go back over to the slide and we'll continue on with that.